Hi there, everyone. This is April from Banana Moon Studio. I am going live for the first time ever, and it's to unbox my Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club for this month. So if you're a subscriber and you don't want any spoilers, stop watching right now because I'm about to open this. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open up this bag. And if you've just joined in, this is the Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club that I am opening here. Here's what I see inside. And there's newsletter, which I won't read all of right now, but you can kind of get a bit of what's in there. Sweet Speckles is the theme. Okay, here is one bag of fiber and another little rabbit bag, and I think that's everything. Okay, let's open what's in this rabbit bag first. Oh, how cute. Its little ears are tied. That's a cute bag. I'm gonna have to maybe reuse that somehow. Okay, let's see what's in here. Cute. I love this pom-pom. This, I'm telling you right now, is my favorite part of the whole thing. I haven't even seen the rest, but I love this pom-pom. That's really fun. All right, I'm going to find a way to use that. And I got some Stash Sunny Orange Ginger Tea. And, oh my goodness, the sheep sticker is super cute. It looks like a peep that's had a bite taken out of it. Adorable. I got Kool-aid. I didn't know Paradise Fibers was excited about providing me with something to drink, but we'll see what that's about. And Progress Keeper stitch marker. It says sweet, I think. It looks like maybe it's supposed to be a little bag of candy. That's really cute. Okay, and now, the fiber is interesting. Not what I was expecting, because I kind of thought that we were going to have undyed fiber, so I was expecting white, but it's not white. It's like a, I don't know what you would call this, maybe a fawn color? There's a ton of it, though. That is a lot of fiber for one box. Let's see what this says about how much it is. Ooh, it says it's Downy Downpour Blend. Introducing the newest blend to make its way to our cloud-inspired collection of undyed blends. 85% mixed natural shades of Blueface Leicester wool and 15% Wild Tussa silk top. It is really soft. I'm looking for an amount here. It's not giving me a number of ounces that I have in here. But I'm thinking, too, that the intention with the Kool-Aid is maybe to use it for dyeing. And I'm actually really curious how this light brown shade would dye up with Kool-Aid. It could be really cool. Anyhow, so this big pile of wonderfully soft fiber and this beautiful pom-pom and the tea and the sticker and the Kool-Aid for dyeing and this cute little Progress Keeper is what I got in my Fiber of the Month Club package from Paradise Fibers for, what month is this? April of 2021. It's been nice doing this live with all of you. I will see you next time.